How to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, navigate to Snapchat and tap to launch it and make sure you sign in to your account. Now tap on profile icon at top left corner and head towards gear icon at top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen and now tap on Help Center. Once you reach on this Help Center page, you need to scroll down further and tap on Contact Now button. Choose I need help with a Snapchat feature and you need to scroll a bit down and now choose Memories. Tap on Using My Eyes Only and now you need to select on Yes button. After that, you will navigate to Report Submitting page where you have to enter your email address, username and the description of your issue. You simply need to enter I want to recover my eyes only deleted pictures, and after entering the details tap on submit and you need to fill in CAPTCHA and verify. After you have done with everything, Snapchat should reach out to you about recovering your deleted pictures from My Eyes Only. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.